Good morning students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class we have discussed up to sense group paragraph 3 of the chapter only made impossible possible. Only made impossible possible. And there we have seen that once a thief was caught while stealing a purse and he was handed over to the police, and the police took him to jail, and he was sent to, the police sent him to jail, and then he was produced in a court for trial. And when the trial begins, the person whose purse was stolen, he hired a lawyer and 3 witnesses who were present at the time of the theft. So the 3rd witness was absent due to some problem. So the first witness, when the trial started, as we have discussed, trial means that examination of a person whether he is innocent or guilty. So when the trial started, then now the first witness was brought to the witness box, and the judge asked the first witness 3 questions. The judge wanted to know that when the theft was committed, whether it was day or night, then how many persons were present at the time of committing the theft, and what was the color of the purse. And the first witness answered that actually the theft was committed during the daytime, and 5 persons were present at the time of the theft, and the color of the purse was black. After that, the second witness was brought to the witness box. So the judge also asked him, the second witness, the same question, the same 3 questions. So now the second witness have a different answer. To the questions of the judge, he told that the incident or the theft was committed during the night time, and 25 persons were present at the time of the theft, and the color of the purse was white. So now what happened? The case was postponed or delayed for the next day. But the lawyer who was fighting the case, which contesting for the candidate, what happened? So he became very much upset. Why he was very much upset? Because both the witnesses give contradictory statements, or there is no matching of the statement of the first witness and the second witness. The first witness told that the incident happened or the theft was committed during the daytime, and 5 persons were present at the time of the theft, and the color of the purse was black. Whereas the second witness told that the incident happened in the night time, and 25 persons were present at the time of the theft, and the color of the purse was white. So both the witnesses gave contradictory statements. So now the lawyer became very much angry, and he started scolding the witnesses for giving contradictory statements. But both the witnesses told that they have told the truth, they have never lied. So now the case was now the lawyer is in the condition to lose the case, and he thought there is no necessary to present the third witness in the court, because he has almost lost the case. Because of a contradictory statements by the 2 witnesses. But during this time, only the lawyer's cook was listening to the conversation of the lawyer with the witnesses. So now he offered to help the lawyer to serve as a 3rd witness, to attend the court as a 3rd witness. But the lawyer told that only you are a mere cook, and how you are telling you can save the case? Then only told, sir, I am serving you since last 10 years. So you just take me as a 3rd witness, and I will try my best, and you will see how I will able to convince the judge, and you will see that how I will make the impossible possible. So up to this portion we have discussed in the previous class up to the sense group paragraph 3. So students, let's read the sense group paragraph 4. The lawyer agreed, and the next day Ali was called to the witness box. The judge asked, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? Ali replied, you may call it a day, your honor, or you may also call it a night. How? The judge asked. When the theft was committed, there was light, my lord, but slowly it became dark. It was the meeting time of the day and night, your honor. The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement and asked the next question. How many persons were there at the time of the theft? Ali said, sir, you can say 5 or 25, your honor. When the judge asked how, Ali said, when the theft was committed, there were only 5 persons, but slowly the number increased to 25. The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement. The third question the judge asked, what was the color of the purse? Ali said, you can call it black or you can call it white. My lord, when the judge asked how, Ali showed a purse which was white inside and black outside. The judge smiled an unusual smile and nodded his head in full agreement. So students, in the sense group paragraph 4, we will see that how Ali how Ali convinces the judge to reach at an agreement, to reach at a final decision. How he convinces the judge to reach at a final agreement and a final decision. So now Ali was brought to court as a third witness. So Ali remained present in the witness box, and judge asked the first question to Ali that when the theft was committed, whether it was a day or night. Now Ali answered that, my lord, you may tell it day or you may also tell it night. So now the judge wanted to know how you can tell that this time is how you are telling like this, that you may tell it day or you may tell it night. What does it mean? Then Ali told, sir, actually when the theft was committed, at that time there was light, but slowly it turned dark. So it was the meeting point of day and night. It was the meeting point of the day and the starting point of the night when the theft was committed. Okay, so it was the ending point of the day and the starting point of the night. So for this reason, when the theft was committed, there was light and slowly it turned dark. So you may tell it day or you may tell it night. So now the judge was convinced and he started nodding his head in agreement. Okay, agreement means in understanding. He started nodding his head. Now the second question the judge asked, how many persons were present at the time of the theft? Then Ali told, my lord, you may tell 5 or 25. Now the judge wanted to know how, is it 5 and 25? Then Ali told, my lord, when the theft was committed, 5 persons were present at the time, but slowly the number increased to 25. Slowly the number increased to 25. Now the judge also agreed to Ali. So now the judge asked the last question to Ali, what was the color of the purse? Then Ali told, sir, my lord, you may tell it black or you may tell it white. So now what happened? Now Ali started opening a purse and started showing a purse to the judge, and inner portion of this purse was white, but the outer portion of that purse was black. Okay, so now Ali started showing a purse to the judge where the inner side of the purse was white, but the outer side of the purse was black. So now the judge was quite convinced and started giving a unusual smile. Okay, not usual or not habitual. So unusual means something which is not habitual or something which is not usual. So now the judge started giving an unusual smile, and also he started nodding his head, or he nodded his head in full agreement with the Ali statement. So this is how Ali made the case, Ali made the impossible be possible. How he made the impossible possible means the case, the lawyer was just going to lose the case, but Ali made impossible possible by his wise and intelligent answers to the judge, and judge became quite convinced with the statement of the Ali. So students, today we have completed the sense group paragraph 4. So let's find out some new words from this portion and let's try to use it into meaningful sentences of our own. The first word is nerd. First word is nod. Students, nod is used as a verb here, means to move the head, to move the head up and down, to move the head up and down, to indicate agreement. To move the head up and down to indicate agreement. Now it is verb here. So let's use it into a meaningful sentence. Mohan and Sohan. Mohan and Sohan both nod in agreement. Next word is agreement. Next word is agreement. Here agreement is noun and the meaning is the state of sharing, the state of sharing the same opinion, the state of sharing the same opinion or feeling, the state of sharing the same opinion or feeling. Opinion or feeling. Let's use it into a meaningful sentence of our own. We are in agreement on this subject. We are in agreement on this subject. So let's see the next word. Another sentence using agreement is she nodded her head in agreement. She nodded her head in agreement. Or the teacher nodded in agreement. Another sentence using agreement. So let's find out the another word. Another word is unusual. Next word is unusual. Unusual, it is adjective. Unusual means not usual or not habitual or that which does not commonly occurs. So let's use it into a meaningful sentence. This is an unusual situation. Unusual situation. This is an unusual situation. Next, let's use it into another meaningful sentence. This cake has an unusual flavor. So this is an unusual situation, or this cake has an unusual flavor. So students, today we have completed the lesson only made impossible possible. So you read the chapter at least 2-3 times and try to use the difficult words into sentences of your own. So thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.